Mastering ISO 12006. Effective knowledge management and information sharing are the secret sauce to achieving operational excellence. Which aspects of the ISO 12006 standards specifically emphasize the crucial role of effective knowledge management and information sharing in achieving operational excellence? The ISO 12006 standard, which focuses on organization and digitization of information about buildings and civil engineering works, including building information modeling, BIM, places significant emphasis on the importance of effective knowledge management and information sharing in achieving operational excellence. Several aspects of the standard specifically highlight the crucial role of knowledge management and information sharing in this context. Firstly, Clause 4.3 of the standard, which addresses the requirements for information management, emphasizes the importance of establishing a common language and terminology for information exchange. This clause recognizes that effective knowledge management and information sharing require a shared understanding of concepts, definitions, and terminology across the organization and throughout the project lifecycle. By establishing a common language and terminology, organizations can ensure that all stakeholders have a shared understanding of the information being exchanged, which in turn enables more effective communication and collaboration. Furthermore, Clause 5.2 of the standard, which deals with the requirements for information modeling, highlights the importance of integrating knowledge management and information sharing processes into the organization's information infrastructure. This clause recognizes that effective knowledge management and information sharing are critical to achieving operational excellence, and therefore, organizations must establish and maintain an information infrastructure that supports the creation, management, and exchange of information throughout the project lifecycle. Additionally, Clause 6.3 of the standard, which focuses on the requirements for collaboration and communication, emphasizes the importance of establishing effective communication and coordination mechanisms to facilitate knowledge management and information sharing. This clause recognizes that effective knowledge management and information sharing require collaboration and coordination among stakeholders, and therefore, organizations must establish mechanisms to facilitate communication, collaboration, and coordination throughout the project lifecycle. Moreover, Clause 7.2 of the standard, which addresses the requirements for data management, highlights the importance of establishing processes for data management, including data collection, storage, analysis, and reporting. This clause recognizes that effective knowledge management and information sharing require the ability to manage and analyze data effectively, and therefore, organizations must establish processes to manage data throughout the project lifecycle. In addition, Clause 8.2 of the standard, which focuses on the requirements for documentation and records, emphasizes the importance of establishing processes for documenting and maintaining records of knowledge and information. This clause recognizes that effective knowledge management and information sharing require the ability to document and maintain records of knowledge and information, and therefore, organizations must establish processes to document and maintain records throughout the project lifecycle. Finally, Annex A of the standard, which provides guidance on the implementation of the standard, highlights the importance of establishing a culture of knowledge sharing and collaboration within the organization. This annex recognizes that effective knowledge management and information sharing require a culture that encourages collaboration, communication, and knowledge sharing, and therefore, organizations must foster a culture that supports the sharing of knowledge and information throughout the organization. In conclusion, the ISO 12006 standard emphasizes the crucial role of effective knowledge management and information sharing in achieving operational excellence by establishing requirements for information management, information modeling, collaboration and communication, data management, documentation and records, and a culture of knowledge sharing and collaboration. By implementing these requirements, organizations can ensure that knowledge and information are managed and shared effectively, which in turn enables more effective communication, collaboration, and decision-making throughout the project lifecycle.